Alright, we have arrived. We're at Big 4 Adventure Whitsunday Resort. We've checked in. Alright, let's make our way through Site 8. Make sure I don't sideswipe this car here. Here we are, we're set up. We just went and got some shopping. You've got the little vintage cafe open for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So they'll be back a little bit later in the afternoon and evening. Pretty quiet now at the water slides. I think they've got about 13 water slides.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go walk along the side here. It's like one of them's closed and they're doing some works down the back there. We're on site number 8. It's a pretty good spot, at least we're nice and close to the pools, table tennis, mini golf, camp kitchen's just around the back. But if you can get one of these spots just in the middle off the main road, I think you'll love that. So what have we got here? Sites 29, 28. So anywhere from 28, 765 looks pretty good. Those ones in the middle here are 10 onwards. They're good spots, nice and close to the slides as well. I want to go find the mini golf course and see how that looks. There's also cabins you can stay in as well if you're not camping around.
Look at the hut. That's the mini golf course.
There's a mini golf course. Looks pretty cool. Water feature.
Can we go have a look?
Yeah, we can. We should go have a game, warm up, and then we'll go on those slides. Playground.
How do you get the golf back?
That's the movie screening.
You gotta get the back from
We probably have to go to reception, so we'll see if that's what you want to do.
a movie screen.
There's a basketball court through there,
A movie screen.
tennis court, and this is at the back or to the side of the water slides. The vintage cafe's got a little set up here as well. There's the movie screen. So plenty of things for the kids to do, especially. Just what you want. Keep them out of your hair. Not the biggest water slides going around, but the kids still will have a blast. Alright, we'll keep looking around the park, show you guys what's on offer, see if we've missed anything. Otherwise, we're going to go down those water slides shortly, play a bit of mini golf. Catch you guys later. Alright, update on the jumping pillows. They were here. Taken down. No more jumping pillows. Insurance reasons. So I hope you weren't coming here to go on the jumping pillows, which I'm sure you're not. You're here for the water slide. Alright, just noticed the massage hut. Massage, facials, body wraps, body scrubs, waxing, tinting. Bit of self-care action. I don't know how relaxing it'll be right in front of the pool here. But anyway, for float your boat. Yeah, there are a lot of activities they do here as well. I'll go get the weekly newsletter and see what activities they provide this week. Alright, what's on? Got the list here for you. I'll just read a few of them out. got the animal park down the end here, so they do have, Noah was right, they do have that. We'll go down and check that out now. We've got a bit of ocean rafting, but that's just a discount for the big 4 members. Outdoor music, $7.15. What else do they provide? Bit of sand art. Kids club. They've got a mini golf tournament tomorrow. Some more outdoor music. Biscuit decorating. Oh, there's plenty. You can see on here the amount of things that you and the kids can get up to. 3rd to the 5th. 6th to the 9th. Morning from Big 4 Whitsunday. Alright, we're gonna go head down to the animal park, which is somewhere down the end here, and we're hopefully gonna feed some animals.
Look at the goat, look at the goat.
She drinks so quick that I've got to wait for everyone to get in, otherwise that bottle's going to be gone so quick.
I don't have anything
Cows, yeah, that's it. Cows need to have it nice and high.
Hi guys, these are all the water slides in the Whitsunday Adventure Park. This is one of the water slides. 3, 2, 1, go! This is another one. 3, 2, 1, go! Here's another one. Cool. So there are 13 water slides here. It's pretty amazing, I can tell you that. Okay, here's another one. This one is the dangerous one. There is one that's closed right now, so yeah. But here we go. Here's another one. This one is the one if you get speed you almost flip. There's a dark one. Woo. Here's one of the red ones. There are 2 red ones. They have 2 baby slides, 2 red slides, and yeah. Guys, this is the second red one. And that's all the slides.
Ocean rafting, baby. Well, here we are now on Whitsunday Island. Just got off the ocean rafting. First stop for the day. We're going to make a walk up to the top of the lookout here. Get a good view, try and get our bearings around all these magnificent islands. Whitehaven Beach.
Oh, look, the river.
Alrighty guys, so welcome to Whitsunday Island and then welcome to Whitehaven Beach. Right now we're currently set on the north end of Whitehaven. So this section of sand that you do see on your left, that is part of Whitehaven itself. At the moment we are at a higher tide, so all that's in front of us actually becomes exposed at low tide. Whitehaven runs 7 kilometres all the way
Whitsunday Island, Whitehaven Beach. It's pretty chockers as you can imagine. I'm just gonna have some lunch. You can actually get your lunch on the boat. Extra $17.50 I believe per person. But we just packed a few wraps from home. Got an esky to keep it all cool. Alright, we'll enjoy lunch and then go for a swim. Whitehaven Beach, we're about to dive in. Check out this water. We're coming into stinger season, so we do have wetsuits, but I think it looks pretty good at the minute. Alright, let's go. On ocean rafting. Oh, I may have woken him up. Airlie Beach. We've got a big Maori rust down here. Hopefully we can find him for you. About 40 kilos. Can you see him, Noah? Morning all. How was that ocean rafting? Quite epic, wasn't it? Now, if you're interested in doing the ocean rafting, if you're a Big 4 member, you do get 10% off. So we actually booked that at the Big 4 Whitsunday Resort, and I think it was originally $520-ish, came down to about $460 odd. So that was for a family of 4. So if you're interested in the ocean rafting, it's pretty good value to get it through the Big 4. Otherwise you can check out Thundercat. There's a couple of operators that do it. But today I've travelled about 40 k's back to the northeast, 40 odd minutes to Cape Gloucester Resort, which is just behind me there. And that's Gloucester Island, and you've also got this little island right here, or McVaughan Island. How nice is this water? A couple of boats moored up there. Pretty special place. You can well, you can get a bite to eat here. They do have a pool. Have a quick dip if you need. Stopped in at Dingo Beach. So as you can see, we just passed through Hideaway Bay. We stayed around here. There's Gloucester Island. you can see the whole Whitsunday Islands there too. Give you a rough idea where we are. Got a cool little swimming area by the looks. Alright, if you're at Dingo Beach, you got the barbecues, got some toilets, bit of basketball, playground. And as I mentioned, here's the little ocean pool. Fenced off to keep the sharks and stingers away, probably. Looks pretty good. Not a bad spot. Obviously the wind's up a bit today, but anywhere in the Whitsundays just is amazing. Alright, Whisper Bay boat ramp, VMR. We're going to try and catch ourselves something big. We're going to throw the cast net at the boat ramp. There's plenty of bony brim or whatever you want to call them there. So throw the cast net, get some liveys, throw a few live baits out. Alright, we're going to fish along the rock wall here. Just where all the people are up there. There's the boat ramp. That's where we're going to get our liveys. And we'll fish along on the outside of that rock wall to see if we can get ourselves something big. Hopefully we're back soon with the camera on and Noah's reeling in a big one. Let's go.